Check it out. This is about division. I'm going to teach you all the steps of division. You say, well, it's dividing. Well, I'm going to teach you how. Okay, you take a decimal point, the division symbol. Now we know this right here is a point as well. Time is linear. It goes left and it goes right. It goes back and forth both directions. It's like a rotating circle. Now, what's cool about this is divisible division. And you say, the division steps are: step 1, we must double the number. So we know this is a point, which a point is a number or a person. And you think of this as the world. If you put a circle around this, equator belt, and then you have your north and your south pole, and you have your east and your west. Then you have like your other cardinal points, that star that like spirals out like a die. Well, if you take this and you look at the division, I know it's a little blurry. You take the number, and when you have a number here, so let's say 2. Now if we take it's the second time. Now this is just one point. That's a point and that's a point. So when you have one point, and think of God, He created 2. He created man and woman. But we know it's throughout time God created mankind. So to me, this really doesn't work as a theory. I think this is time, which is creation, and it created not only 2 beings over here. So, but time starts, okay, time has to say a starting point. We'll take that center point between the line and say this is time, but we know time goes left and right at the same time, simultaneously. So you get a 5 on this line. Now that's not only, it's a die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now over time, and you say, well, how did this 1 create 4? Well, you think for as above, so below is also so is left, so is right, and so is right is left. They're equal because it's a scale, a balance. Now time can go backwards, which means we know where we're at, as we're the center point. We're the little guy. We all are. We're a 0.5 because it took 2 parents, 2 grandparents to make 2 parents to create you. So 2 generations created, that's what counts. 5 is completion, guys, in the code of life. To my friends in the world of understanding, in ways that we talk of community, like the way I would say this is, to me, this is the all code. And the ones, I don't know what to say about this, but this is mind tripping. So if you take time, it's linear. We know time is linear if it goes around like this. But it also goes left to right, so it's a figure 8. So that's 2 worlds that are, there's a circle here, there's a circle here, there's a circle here. See, since it consists of 5, I'm going to bet you it's going to be like a pentagon on each side. That's how I would do it. So they all touch, all worlds touch, you know what I mean? Because they all are connected by parents and generations and create the offspring, which is you, the point. But we're all points somewhere. Because it took 2 points to come together to create 1, which is you, mom, dad. But who created mom? See, and that's where it branches off. Because then you have 2 points created them. So you have to put more points over here, more circles. Because each mom and dad came from 2 separate families. So 2 points of another point connected. I know this is trippy and it sounds confusing, but it creates a hive. What do you have when you have a hive? Bzz. Not bees. You don't have to sting because you guys are all getting along because you're all connected. Does that make sense? So it's like we all are It's not in the family, it's just the way the coding is set up. Because as these dots and lines connect, you think of DNA. You see that right there? Like, that's trippy. When these connect as DNA atom cells, you think of family, and this is time. Like, this is starting to create like a, wow. And you take this cycle, holy cow, it creates the flower of life. That's awesome. And that goes all the way around. Look, it creates an eye. Holy shit. Whoa. See, I'm telling you guys. I know I got off topic. I do that when I have these like visions and all. I had to draw this because this is the way I had to explain it. Weirdness. You see, you're still in a circle, but within a circle, you have like a star. You see that star right there? It's like boom. It's a spider web. Spider-Man. Spider-Man, spider web. But see, it hits 8. There's 4 on each side, and that's cool. So, is it the more the merrier? No. It's how you mix them. And when I say mix, I mean like the X and the Y, because this is based on your. By the way, I said Earth, linear time, in a circle. The world, think of the world time, equator belt, equal on both sides, as above, so below. It's pretty incredible. It goes back, dude, it's all in the name. Equator, equal. And you know an equal sign? They're both going left and right, and that's like that's the belt. So